A warm welcome to all the students of Daud Boy Fazal Boy Primary School, Ward B, Standard 2nd. Subject Mathematics. Topic Comparing Numbers. Now boys and girls, let's revise it. Okay? Words and signs to remember. Now greater sign. Okay, this is greater sign. Smaller sign. Equal sign. Now see the symbol. Now observe the picture, student. The symbols lie in the mouth of the crocodile. So the first point, the open end of the sign is always towards the bigger number. When the given number are the same, they are equal. Now let's take an example, students. Now you tell me, in 62 and 22 which number is bigger? Think students. So here 62 is bigger one. Okay, 62 is bigger number. Now second one, in 22 and 62 which number is bigger, students? Yes, again 62 is bigger, so crocodile face sign in on 62 side. Now third one, 62 and 62, so this is equal. Okay, so here will come equal sign. Okay, important note, students. While comparing a 3-digit number, always look at the first number to the extreme left. For example, let's solve 167 and 147. Which number is bigger number? Let's see, how. So the number in the hundreds place is 1 in both the numbers. Okay, so hence we move to the next number, that is the tens place. Okay, so in the tens place, here number 6 and here number 4. Okay, so 6 is bigger than 4. So hence it means 167 is bigger than 147. Okay. Okay, now the next number, let's solve it. 234 and 237. Which number is bigger? So here, look here, students. 2. In this number, 2 and 2, both are equal numbers. So let's see. Tens place is also equal number, 3 and 3. So let's see 4 and 7 unit place. So see here, the number in the hundred place and tens place are the same. So let's see unit place number. So 2 in the hundreds place and 3 in the tens place. Okay, these are the same. The number in the units place are 4 and 7. So here 7 is bigger than 4. Okay, so the answer is 237 is bigger than 234. So here is the answer, student. Okay, now here crocodile say, which number will I eat? So 230. Now tell me, crocodile is always eat bigger number. Now you tell me, 232 is bigger or 127? Okay, so the answer is So the answer is 232 crocodile will eat. So 232 is bigger than 127. So well done, my mouth will open to 232 as it is the bigger number. Okay, now this activity for you students, homework for you. Okay, now you have to solve this. Okay, you have to solve that 200 is bigger than 300 or what. Okay, now you have to solve all these five sum. Okay, thank you and have a nice day, students.